More dust than usual? Allergy symptoms that won't quit inside your own home? Your ducts might be the problem. In Florida homes, ductwork collects dust, pet dander, mold spores, and construction debris faster than most homeowners realize. Watch for these 5 warning signs. 1. Excessive dust buildup even after you clean regularly. 2. Allergy or respiratory irritation that gets worse indoors. 3. Uneven airflow between rooms. 4. Visible debris or buildup around your vents. 5. Persistent musty odors when your AC runs. Any one of these means your HVAC system is circulating more than just air. And the fix isn't a filter change, it's a full professional duct cleaning with negative pressure equipment and a proper inspection. The Service Pros serve St. Pete, Tampa, Clearwater, and all of Pinellas County, 24/7. Visit theservicepros.com for a free estimate.